Welcome to War India News Hour. The future of workplace could tackle the newer security risks. The pandemic has boosted the remote work, which has become the norm. This has led to immense growth in the demand for cloud computing, software from companies transitioning their on-premise operations to the digital space. As cloud computing in particular saw a demand rise as operations enabled by the Internet of Things become increasingly common. There has been a shift in the way people think about enterprise security. The largest threat to a quickly changing workforce is the awareness perspective. Like, we cannot expect employees to practice good security if they are not aware of the dangers of working from home. When you authenticate, when you VPN, you extend the company network to your home network. That could be riddled with malware. If they are not aware of that, we cannot expect a lot of awareness from them. They have to understand why they need a VPN. Security awareness has got more visibility in the work from home environment with an increasing attack surface and a workforce that has to be more self-reliant when it comes to the securing their devices and home networks, as well as recognizing the increasing in the threats designed to take advantage of virus fears and stuck at home boredom. Hence, it is important for the companies to engage deeply to understand the availability of the security technologies. Supply chain attacks like 2020's SolarWinds virus, where hackers opened backdoors from companies' internal systems by exploiting a compromised third-party application, will likely become more common as hackers learn from each other and exploit vulnerable enterprise systems. Let's look into this hour's headline in War India. HCL Technologies and IBM collaborate to modernize security operations. IBM Security announced it has collaborated with HCL Technologies to help unify and streamline threat management for clients via a modernized security operations center, that is called SOC platform. HCL Cybersecurity Fusion Centers will be designed to take advantage of IBM's Cloud Park for Security to help create a unified security platform to connect security teams, tools, and process across the threat lifecycle. This collaboration builds on HCL and IBM's recent alliance expansion to help organizations with the digital transformation. ICT industry veteran Manoj Chugh joins Veheri as the advisor. Veheri announced that its board of directors has named veteran information technology expert and ICT industry leader Manoj Chugh as an advisor to the board. Manoj has served in leadership positions across some of the biggest tech companies and brings the best of management, leadership, operational, and technical expertise to Veheri. YouTube again suffers going down worldwide. Issues fixed. Several users on Monday reported that they were unable to access the homepage of YouTube or play videos on the Google-owned Streamline platform. More than 8,000 people reported issues with the service, according to Down Detector. YouTube later tweeted a statement saying the issue has been fixed and users should be able to access the homepage without any issues. Lead School raises $30 million in its Series D funding. Lead School, the company into EdTech, had raised $30 million in its Series D funding round by GSV Ventures in participation with existing investor Westbridge. This is the first investment by the US-based venture capital firm in an Indian EdTech firm. The company is ventured by Sumit Mehta and Smita Diora. The 8-year-old company provides integrated curriculum and technology solutions to private schools with books, workbooks, smart classes, teacher training, teacher manuals, ERPs, or math science kits. Alert issues to Telegram users. Attack from Trojan malware to Mount. Attackers are leveraging the popular Telegram messaging app by embracing its code inside the remote access Trojan, that is called RAT, dubbed Toxic Eye. The victim's computer infected with Toxic Eye malware is controlled via a hacker-operated Telegram messaging account. The Toxic Eye malware can take over file systems, install ransomware, and leak data from victims' PCs, according to the researchers at Checkpoint Software. That is it for now. Please like, share, and comment to subscribe War India News Magazine. Thank you. Stay tuned.